Welcome to Avira. With the purchasing process of Avira Prime, a free Avira online account gets automatically created for you. The account facilitates the installation, configuration, and monitoring of all your Avira apps. Verify the email account you have specified during the Avira Prime purchasing process. Open the received Avira email and click Download and Install. You will now be redirected to your free Avira online dashboard. To log in, just choose a password to access your account. Once logged in, your purchased Avira product will be downloaded automatically. Once the product is saved on your device, double-click the downloaded Avira installation file. The Avira installation wizard will appear and perform the required installation. Click Accept and Install to start with the installation. All products that are included in the Avira Prime bundle will be installed successively. Once the installation is completed, click Open Avira. The installed Avira panel on your device displays your installed Prime apps, as well as other free Avira apps that you can install later on. Thank you for watching this tutorial.